Welcome to kuber.club, where you can embrace the freedom valley vibe to the core. Today, we are diving into our Lumpsum investment plans, offering you a one-time investment opportunity with unparalleled benefits. With a minimum investment of Rs 5,000 and a maximum of Rs 50 lakhs, we cater to investors of all levels, ensuring everyone gets an opportunity to chart out their own growth. You can choose from our two distinctive plans: growth or payout. Under the growth plan, the profit earned is reinvested into the system, compounding the investors' returns over time. Under our payout plan, our investors can have the profit they earned credited to their account at regular intervals. Select an investment period that suits your goals, starting from 6 months and extending up to 60 months. Whether you're planning to reach your short or long-term goals, kuber.club has got you all covered. Have a little extra money lying around? Take the next step towards financial success. Download the kuber.club app now and start exploring our Lumpsum investment plans. Ditch complex investments for our easy-to-follow plans and live the Freedom Valley vibe out large. Click the link and download our app. I'll see you in the next video.